Once upon a time, a long time ago, there were some brilliant scientists who were playing with electricity and discovered something incredible called superconductors. Imagine they were like magicians but with lab coats instead of capes. In the year 1911, a super smart physicist named Heike Kamerlingh Onnes made a big icy discovery. He chilled a material called mercury to a temperature colder than the North Pole, and boom! It became a superconductor. Now what's so special about these superconductors? When electricity flows through regular materials, it faces some resistance, like trying to run through sticky honey. But superconductors are magical. They let electricity flow through like a speedy race car on a smooth road, without any resistance at all. Fast forward to the 1950s, where more scientist heroes joined the superconductor adventure. John Bardeen, Leon Cooper, and John Robert Schrieffer joined forces and created the BCS theory, which explained why some materials become superconductors when it's chilly. Just like how little kids grow up and become superheroes, superconductors also grow up. In 1986, two more heroes, Carl Molla and Johannes Bednorz, discovered a new type of superconductor called cuprates. It was like a treasure trove of superconductivity. Scientists dream of making superconductors that work at room temperature, so we can use them in everyday life to save energy and help the environment. But wait, why are these superconductors so shy and only show their magical powers when it's super cold? It's like they're hiding in a frozen fortress. Scientists are still figuring out their secret identities, trying to understand how they work and why they behave the way they do. Imagine you're a scientist now. You put on your lab coat and goggles, grab your magic wand, aka a test tube, and start mixing different materials to see if you can find more superconductors. It's like being a treasure hunter on a quest for the most extraordinary treasure in the universe. Sometimes science is like a puzzle, and it takes a whole team of clever minds to put the pieces together. Scientists all around the world are working together, sharing their discoveries, and cheering each other on like a big superhero team. These magical superconductors have some amazing powers. They can create super strong magnetic fields, like a superhero lifting heavy cars with ease. That's why they're perfect for things like powerful magnets in hospitals and trains. Do you know what would be super fun and exciting? If we had superconductor toys. We could make super fast toy trains, floating skateboards, and even levitating cars that zoom above the ground like magic carpets. Oh, and guess what else? Superconductors can save lots of energy, like turning off all the lights when no one's in the room. Imagine if all our devices and gadgets used superconductors. We'd save so much energy, it'd be like hugging the whole planet with love. Now, let's talk about the future of superconductors. Imagine you have a super-powered suit like Iron Man or Wonder Woman. In the future, we might use superconductors in computers that work faster than a lightning bolt and in hospitals to make better scans for sick superheroes. But like any good story, there are challenges to face. Scientists need to find cheaper and easier ways to cool down these magical materials, so they don't need special ice powers to become superconductors. Imagine having a superpower that's easier to use than tying your shoes. As time goes on, more and more superheroes, scientists, will join the adventure. They'll build on the work of those who came before them and make even more magical superconductors. It's like they're all writing a never-ending story together, and you can be part of it too. So my little superhero, remember that superconductors are like magical treasures waiting to be found. They can change the world and make it a better place, just like you and your big kind heart. Keep dreaming, exploring, and being curious like a scientist on a grand adventure. And that's the super duper, super fun story of superconductors. The end. For now. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, subscribe buttons and the notification bell so you can join the Simplify squad.